going on? What's going on?
What's up?
Hey, we hit 600 subscribers.
That's right.
So you know what that means? We're doing a little celebration. Today we're going to be eating 60 chicken nuggets.
Each.
60 chicken nuggets each. So I'm going to eat 60. He's going to eat 60. It's going to be a good time. We picked 6 places to eat the chicken nuggets. And I know you don't like them fries. We got Chick-fil-A, Carl's Jr., McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, and Buffalo Wild Wings. So right now we got the Carl's Jr.'s, the first one.
Exactly.
We're gonna go ahead and open them up. See, so we got 10 piece from each one.
Right.
They're like stars though.
Exactly. Okay.
All right, we're gonna eat them in 3, 2, 1. What is that?
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Last one. That's it. And I'm done. And then just a waiting game for him.
Look at that, they're like stars. Not the usual circle. Probably one of the bigger ones we're gonna have to face.
Yep. Well, that's it for me. I'm just waiting time for him.
See?
Yep.
I'm
I'm all done, so now I just sit back and wait.
And a second, just before the show, my box is empty.
Yep. And my box is empty too. I showed y'all before.
Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go head over to Buffalo Wild Wings, and once we get the nuggets, we will start recording again. So we'll see you guys
Alright,
at
see
the
you
next
later.
restaurant. Alright guys, so we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. It was a total fail. They didn't have any nuggets. So we're going to switch Buffalo Wild Wings with Popeyes. Alright guys, now we are at restaurant number 2. Wendy's. Honestly, I like their nuggets. I'm happy. Wendy's nuggets are always classic.
Yeah, Carl Jr. wasn't that good. I didn't like it too
I've
much.
already showed you one. So this is what the container looks like.
10-piece.
10-piece nugget. They're on a container this time. Oh, some of my nuggets fell out.
And we're doing these without barbecue sauce.
We're doing these without any sauce because that would be unfair in the judging.
Right.
If one is just like a vessel for sauce.
Right.
All right, I say we just go ahead. Let's try it. All right, these are gonna be great. They're good.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I'm getting strong hard-boiled egg taste from here.
Okay.
More?
That's it. Last one. You got it. You got it. You got it. All right, let's go on to Burger King.
All right, so we are here
At Burger King.
at Burger King.
So,
I'm trying to stretch out my stomach because I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting kind of full.
so we have what? We done 2.
We've done 2, so we have 40
and
more.
4 more left.
All right, now we got Burger King.
Okay.
I don't really like Burger King, but here's the packaging. There's the nuggets inside. Let's see. So I guess we just get to it.
Oh, yep. Here's my 10.
Do I want to do this? Do I want to do this?
Oh, it's not too bad.
never tasted anything so vowel. I'm gonna give up on this nugget. I'll be back in for the next one. It's just, I know. It's just, we're trying to see how many we can eat.
This is the last one.
Done. Nice job. Alright, I failed this nugget, so I'm still at 4. But like, remember, it's all for fun. It's not, I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
we're trying to eat 60, but sometimes we just don't make it. Like today, I just couldn't do it. Sorry, Burger King. Man, that may go lower than Carl's Jr. for me. Like, I literally spit that one out.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Okay, so we are now on to McDonald's.
Yep.
This is always a treat. I'm excited for this one.
I'm full. Oh man, I don't know if I can do this.
These look good.
It's kind of hot.
I'm excited. Oh, these are warm.
Well,
Can I eat all of them? I don't know yet, but
I'm not gonna be able to do it. I thought I can, but I'm gonna tap out.
I'm done.
We're done. Okay, I think that's it. All right. You want to say anything?
It's just because I found the thing in McNuggets.
Well, you can have mine. Oh.
Okay.
You want to have mine? Okay. All right.
Well, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. We're done for the day.
All right. Bye-bye.
I accomplished 25 nuggets.
I accomplished 31 nuggets.
So Dad is the overall winner for this challenge video.
It wasn't no winner or loser. We're just doing it for fun.
But thank you guys for watching.
That's it.
So I was gonna point out real quick though. You ate more of the Burger King, but you didn't like it as much as the McDonald's.
Because Burger King tore me up.
Burger King messed both of us up.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, we will talk to you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye.